Okay, folks, here is the answers to the guided reading. So let's go over this. All right. So number one, your cells are about 70 to 95% water. If you had anything within that range, you can give yourself a check mark for correct. Two, why is water molecule polar? Opposite ends have opposite charges. What is a hydrogen bond? Name a compound that features this type of bond. It is a weak attraction between a hydrogen atom and another atom. And a compound is water. 4. Why does water have such a high boiling point? Water has temperature moderation. Remember, it doesn't like to change. 5. A uniform mixture of two or more substances is called a solution. 6. In a solution, the solvent is the substance that dissolves another substance and is present in a greater amount, while the solute is the substance that is being dissolved. In a solution of salt water, the solvent is water and the solute is salt. Water molecules can break apart to form positively charged ions called H+, and negatively charged ions called OH negative. By the way, that is called hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions. An acid is a substance that donates H plus ions. A base is a substance that removes H plus ions. What does the pH scale indicate? How acidic or basic a solution is. And the labels on the pH scale, the ones on the left are acidic, the ones on the right are basic. Starts in the middle as neutral at 7, and as it goes outward, it gets higher. So believe it or not, 0 and 1 is the highest acid, the strongest acid. And then you have 14 as the strongest base. Okay? That's your homework review. Let me know if you have any questions.